Hi, if you are welcome back again in another video. Guys, how are you all doing today? I hope you all are doing great, wonderful. Beloved, I've come with a very interesting topic. Like in today's video, I will be teaching you how you can make cost breaker soap all by yourself, or how you can make cobweb remover soap, bondage remover, near ancestor syndrome, what is again, bondage remover, delay, in fact delay remover soap all by yourself. This particular soap is in fact is the best. What I mean is the best. It is the best. All of these things I just mentioned, this soap can practically help you to remove all of those challenges, all of those hindrances that I just mentioned in your life if you are having one. So if you want to know how to make this particular soap, please keep on watching. But before I go on to this video, I have some important market that I want to run. All right, so guys, if you are looking for charged do as I said stick, like fortify do as I said stick, you know what I mean? Do as I said, you go to talk, they go to respond. If you're the one that's into contract, you need a particular do as I said. This is not all, your regular do as I said that you normally see on the IG, on the Facebook, anywhere. This particular one is highly fortified. I mean, if you are using this and you are using this for business purpose, believe me, you are going to be seeing the evidence, the manifestation of this particular do as I said. It is fortified, okay? You might have come across to this particular stick, but this my own is highly fortified. Let me just show you. This my fortified do as I said stick. Get this and then thank me later. If you're the type that's into property, you are into online business, you are into any contract at all, that at least you do communicate with your clients on the phone, this particular do as I said is what you need. All right, it is highly fortified. When I mean fortified, like you're gonna use them, you're gonna go sharp, you know what I mean? So guys, yeah, so to prepare cost breaker soap, near ancestor syndrome remover, cobweb remover, bondage remover, delay remover soap, this is all you have to get. You need this particular few ingredients. They are few but very powerful. Number one ingredient in our list is going to be our scent leaf. Now you need a very huge scent leaf. In charm, it is called charm in Igbo, and in English it's called scent leaf. Get a big quantity. Get your local egg. I mean local egg, please. Get local egg, like four will be okay. Now get your alligator pepper, okay? Get your alligator pepper, 1 bond. Now get your shea butter. Get original shea butter. I don't want fat shea butter or animal fat shea butter. I need original shea butter for this particular recipe. If you want to see a very good result, you must have to get original shea butter. Now get nchankota, popularly known as Yoruba soap or black soap. The black soap I'm talking about is this measuring black soap, the one that Hausa women normally carry on their tray, you know, hawking it around the places all about. So you need a particular black soap, okay? So if you cannot get all of these ingredients apart from charm, I do sell them, like nchankota, black soap, original shea butter, alligator pepper. Apart from scent leaf, you can get scent leaf anywhere you are living. So all you have to do is this: take your scent leaf, put it in your mortar, add your shea butter, add your alligator pepper, 1 bond. You are going to be opening it from the back and then put it inside the mortar or pestle, and then put that your black soap. You are going to be pounding everything together. All of those ingredients I just mentioned, you're going to be pounding it together. Pound it very well, and then mix together with your black soap. Do not add water. the water that you should be adding should come out from that scent leaf. Okay, so you pound everything thoroughly well together with the black soap, then mix it. After you have done pounding, now you can save this particular soap on a white container. I mean white. Anything that does not look like white or is not even white, do not even bother saving this soap there, because you are going to destroy the effect of the soap. So save it on a white container, and then you are going to be using it to bathe every night. The moment you bathe with that soap, it don't need to come out again in the night. Please, it is a warning. The moment you finish bathing in the night, don't bother coming out again. But before you bathe in the night, make sure that you are done going outside for the day. You cannot come home and then bathe and then relax inside. Do not bother coming out again, okay? Because it's going to be dangerous. So don't even bother coming out after bathing with this soap. And after bathing, do not even clean yourself. Allow the water to dry on your skin. You are going to be bathing this soap every night, all right, until you start seeing the results of what you are using it for. Guys, this particular soap, what I mean, it is a curse breaker remover, it is bondage remover, it is near syndrome or Cesar syndrome remover, it is delay remover. It's going to remove any cobwebs at all, anything blockade, just name it. It's going to remove it and then make success to be coming into your life. All right, now if you want already prepared one, the one that I just prepared by myself, yes, I do sell cross breaker soap, cross breaker oil, cobwebs, anyone at all. I do sell all of those soap and oil. So if you want my own, good and fine. And if you haven't subscribed, you're watching me, please subscribe, because you are going to be learning a lot of things in this particular channel. You have a lot of things to learn. Is it tradition? Is it anything at all, any good thing at all concerning spirituality? You are going to be learning it on this particular channel. So if you haven't subscribed, please kindly do so, and then turn on your notification bell in order to be notified whenever I am uploading a new video. Please pardon my fast speech. So that is just the end of the video. All right, so if you need this particular, do as I said and order of my products, go ahead and contact me on the number 090 5982 5779 090 5982 5779. I am active on WhatsApp and Telegram. This is what you need for your business. This is highly fortified. It is not a bad thing to use. See, when success is not coming to you, you have to come for success. I don't know if you're getting me. When success is not coming to you, you have to do what? Seek for success. You have to go for it and then find it. That is why I am, I took my time to fortify this particular, do as I said, for those who want success in their businesses, in their markets. Okay, this is all you need. All right, and it's very affordable. It's not that costly. Very, very affordable. So guys, if you haven't joined my WhatsApp group, go ahead and then send me a message on a number that I just mentioned, and then you are going to be directed to the group chat. So guys, see you on my next episode. You have a wonderful week. Bye bye.